Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says let a1, a2, a3 be an arithmetic progression with a1 as 7 and the common difference 8. So look at this. We got an AP a1, a2, a3 So it's an AP whose first term is 7 and the common difference is 8. Okay, so this is the first idea. Now focus on second. Let T1, T2, T3 be such that T1 is this and this. So they have given you T1 as 3 and they have given you one relationship between T and AN. Now it is also suggested that like these T's are not in AP. So you have to find out T. Okay. And it is valid for n greater than 1, greater than equal to 1. Then which of the following statements are true? So you have to find out which statements are true. A is true or false, B is true or false, and so on. So first we'll focus on the first element. We will take n as 1. So suppose n is 1. So can I write T2 equals T1 plus A1 and focus on symmetry. Okay. Suppose n is 2. So can I write T3 equals T2 plus A2 and who is T2? So can I replace T2 with this T1 plus A1 plus A2? Now suppose n is 3. So can I write T4 as T3 plus A3? Now you know that T3 is this. So can I write T1 plus A1 plus A2 plus A3? Now clearly you guys can conclude that if n is n, so can I write Tn as T1 plus A1 plus A2 plus if this is 4, this is 3. If this is 3, this is 2. So if this is n, this is n minus 1, n minus 1. Okay. And A's are in AP. So can I replace this T1 with 3 and I will apply the formula of sum of n term of an AP. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d is 8, correct. Now you can take 2 common, this thing gone, so we are left with 3 plus n minus 1, we have 7 plus 4n minus 8, correct. So we got 3 and this is 4n minus 1. So we will get 4n square minus 1. So minus n, then we have minus 4n minus 1. So it will become 1. So we got things as 4n square minus 5n plus 4. So we got our formula for nth term in terms of t. I hope till this part you guys are okay. So we got our t. Now we have to handle options. So if you'll observe, option number A and option number D are similar. So first we will try to crack down that one. So I will go with T20. So I have to replace n with 20. So 420 square minus 520 plus 4. Okay. I will be using calculator, but you are not supposed to do so. You have to simplify things. Okay. So it is 4 times 20, 20. So it is 1600 minus 100 plus 4. So we got 1504. But in option it is given that it is 1604. So the option number A is wrong. Now we will go with option number 4D. Okay. So I have to focus on T30. So 4 times 30 square minus 5 times 30 plus 4. Okay. Now again use the same idea. So we have 4 times 30, 30 minus 150 plus 4. Wait, I did mistake. Yes. So we got things as 3454. And yes, it is in the option. So option D is correct. Okay, now we have to move on to the option B and C, where these guys are using summation sign. Look at this. So we will handle first thing first. So summation k starts from 1 to 20. In first question, the limit is approaching from 1 to 20. Okay, so we will use that idea. So in place of n, we will be using k. So 4k square minus 5k plus 4. You know that if you are handling summation, you can segregate summation in terms of additions. Okay, so we can segregate this question. So we can write down this thing as 4 times summation k square minus 5 times summation k plus 4 times summation. And if you are dealing with constant, you will, like, you know that you will make mistake over here. So what you have to do, you have to write 1 power k. Okay, now you can replace the limit. Okay, k starts from 1 to 20. So can I use it will become what, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, and it will go till 20 square. So sum of squares of first 20 natural numbers. So it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 5 times n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 4 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? 20 times. So it is 20. Okay. Now simplify this thing. So 3, 3 twos are 6, 7 time, and this is 10. Okay. Here also we will do the same. Now look at this. So this is 28041 minus this plus 80. Okay, now look at this. We have 280 multiplied by 41. So we got 11480 minus 1050. Okay, and then we have plus of 80, plus 80. So we got 10510. Okay, 10510. 10510. Yes, option B is correct. Now we have to focus on option C. So option C is also similar, है ना? In place of the limit will change. Limit will change from 1 to 30. So k starts from 1 to 30. 4k square minus 5k plus 4. Here also you will write the same thing. Summation k square minus 5 summation k plus 4 summation 1 power k. So here also we will apply the same idea. We got 4 times 30, 31, 61 by 6 minus 5, 30, 31 by 2 plus 4 times 30. Okay, now how we will solve this thing? You will take common. Okay, so from here and here you will take common. So you can take 30, 31 by 2 common. We will be left with 4 1 time 4. Acha, yes, 3 is left. You have to simplify things. 24 by 3 minus we have what, 31. So I'll multiply and divide by 3. So 393 by 3 plus 120. Okay, now what we will do, we will write 30, 31 by 2, 3, and then we have 244 minus 93. I don't want to make mistake because I have to, again I have to make this video, so I'll do it. Okay, plus 120. Now do the simplification. You have 10, you have 5. Okay, so we got things as 5 into 31 into 151. So we got 23,405 plus, the numbers are very big, okay, plus 120, and it is okay, it is 5-digit number. Here also we are getting 5-digit, yes, it's okay, plus 120. So we got some different value, 23,525, 23,525, and we have 35,615. So option C is wrong. Okay, I hope the idea is clear, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. So just you have to be, you have to develop some patience to reach these kind of situations. Okay, so see you guys in next session of Mathflix.